Tranquility Park. Well, here we are at Tranquility Trails. I hope I said that right. Here's the overview of the map. When you come off the highway, as you come up the hill, you want to go to the left to the parking lot, and this is where the trailhead will start. It looks like here's all the different trails. The shortest looks like 0.7 miles, and the longest is 8.31 miles. And they're all just lettered A through M. Alright, it's going to be the third trail of the day. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. My third trail in the third state. I started in South Dakota, did a trail, Iowa did a trail, and now we're in Nebraska, just outside of Omaha. Of course, I don't spend too much time on the trails, you know, 3 to 4 miles. It doesn't take very long, but like I said, my videos, I'm just biking in every state that I can. All right, and we're off. One day I'll have the gearing down. Pretty narrow through here. Speed in here. Uh-oh, here comes a jump. Whoa. Oh, some whoop-de-doos. I'm not jumping the load. Holy. Going up. Alright. We made those. Narrow. Make sure my pedals are straight. I'm not going really fast, but we're going. Whee! They're deep. And it's really hard to pedal in there because the trail is deep and the sides are close in. And it fell. That was a good trail. On my Strava it said I did 4.5. And once again, technical problems. When I went back to look at the video with my GoPro here, I guess the battery must have cut off and on, and I don't know what kind of footage, but I didn't get much footage on this trail, so I need to work on my technical aspect before I probably bike anymore, because it's getting kind of frustrating to go to these trails and not having any of it recorded. So, but I did fall down at the end, so I think my record is out of 30 trails, 25 trails, I don't even know. I've fallen down maybe 90% of the time, but I'm still having fun though, if you can believe that. I like it. And on that note, traveler out.